We're the Zimmermans, and we're here to pretty much surprise my youngest son, Karson. So just got back from a year remote tour to Korea, so just excited to be back and see the family and surprise him. It's been tough, you know, especially in their school age years. You know, you miss a lot when it comes to their sports and school activities, and there's just a lot to miss. So just really excited to be back.
I was surprised because my mom picked me up, but she just told me that I was going to be dismissed, and then I saw my dad, and I was happy.
It's surreal. It doesn't feel real because it's been so long. I think we'll walk down to the classroom during the lesson and see his reaction.
But I think there's somebody here that's a visitor.
25 came here after 2 days of waiting.
Hey y'all.
Welcome home.
Oh, thank you so much. I appreciate that. Thank y'all.
I was just like, wow, I didn't expect it.
He was thinking it was a couple weeks from now.
Yeah.
And she did a good job of keeping it hush hush. It's rough, especially leaving them for long amounts of time at this age. I mean, they're changing so much. School work, sports, just growing, learning. It's a rough time. That's the roughest part of it right now. So see them both. It was awesome. It was awesome. It was just, it was great. So I was really happy. So it's a great day.